We're seeing significant degradation at the entry point. We need to accelerate the recovery schedule.
Copy that. Rerouting power to the manipulator arms.
Contact localized at 20 degrees, range is holding steady.
Copy that. Adjusting dive profile.
Bring her down easy. A little more to the starboard. Steady, steady. Steady now. Bring her down slowly.
Copy that. Watching the stern lines.
The density reading here is off the charts.
Right where the schematics indicated the strong room.
The tablet confirms it's intact. Okay, slowly bring her up on the starboard side. Copy that, lifting now. Keep it steady.
Look at the delta reading here. It's unstable.
The integrity score is critical.
We have extensive pitting near the bulkhead.
As you can see, the degradation here is significant, especially around the hull plating.
Yes, the algorithmic projection confirms.
All right, mark it here. This section is completely gone. Yeah, I see it. We'll cut along this line. Keep it coming down slow. Watch the clearance. All right, easy now. Looks solid up here. Yeah, check that seam.
We're ahead of schedule on the hull plating. The sensor array integration begins next week.
Good. My data confirm.
Referencing the schematic, the trajectories seem correct.
Agreed. Ensure the starboard clearance remains within tolerance as it passes the main hull.
WWII.
Take the tension. Slow lift on 3. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Easy now, easy. Watch the left side.
All right, keep it steady. We're almost there.
All right, lowering the piston now.
clear on this side. Keep going slowly.
I think the compression is failing on cylinder 3 right here.
Agreed. We need to inspect the piston rings before we proceed with the reassembly.
Descent speed at 0.5 meters per minute.
Watch the clearance on the far side.
Looks good, keep it coming down.
We need to adjust this component right here.
All right, I'm checking the wiring now.
The piping looks clear on this side.
We need to focus on this valve assembly right here.
And the block integrity.
What's the reading on that pressure gauge?
Everything checks out.
Look at the corrosion on this manifold right here. It's worse than we thought.
Yeah, we're gonna need the heavy cutters for this section. We're showing 24 volts on the main bus.
All right, let's bring up the pressure slightly and recheck the differential.
Check the voltage on the auxiliary line.
Reading steady at 24, moving to the potentiometer now.
Pass me another cushion when you get a chance.
Sure thing.
Check the pressure tolerance here. The readings on my tablet are slightly off the baseline.
Confirmed. It looks like the sensor calibration needs adjustment. The readings are nominal across the plating.
Yes, but look at the energy spike right here by the access point. It's active.
The console readings are erratic. I need to check the relays. Be careful. The energy levels are spiking.
Steady as she goes, adjusting pitch to 5 degrees down.
Copy that, Captain. Maintaining course.